If you're editing captions and every time you move one caption, all the other captions move with it, here's how to fix it. First, click on any caption in your timeline. Once the caption is selected, look for the Apply to All option in the caption settings. If it's enabled, click it to turn it off. Now select a single caption again. Drag that caption to a new position on the screen. You'll notice only that caption moves, while the other captions stay exactly where they are. You can repeat this with any caption. Each one can now be moved independently without affecting the rest. This was happening because the Apply to All option was turned on. It makes all captions stay linked, so you can't move them individually. That's it, a quick and simple fix to move captions individually. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.